A very good morning to all my dear children. Today, in English language, we will continue with the topic preposition. Children, today we are going to use preposition of time. The words are at, on, in. Do you remember on, in? Right. They were also used in preposition of place. So remember, in preposition of time, you have the words at, on, in. First, we will see the preposition at. This preposition of time is used when we are talking about clock time, holidays and festivals, or specific time, that is at night, at noon, at sunrise, at the weekend. Let us see the examples. I wake up at 7 o'clock. She returned home at midnight. Everyone seems happy at Christmas. So this is the festival or the holiday period. So remember, clock time, specific time, festival or holiday period. We use the word at. Now we will learn about preposition in. This preposition of time is used when we are talking about months, seasons, years, length of time, part of the day, and longer period of time, like centuries, in the past. So let us see few examples. My birthday is in April month. I always go to beach in summer season. America was discovered in 1492 year. It will be ready in 20 minutes length of time. I go to the park in the evening part of the day. Life was different in the 15th century. Centuries, a longer period of time. So here, when we are talking about months, seasons, years, length of time, part of the day or longer period of time, we use in. Now we will learn about preposition on. This preposition of time is used when we talk about certain day of the week, specific dates, specific days, such as on New Year's Day, and also day of the week along with part of the day. So let us see few examples. We will visit you on Wednesday, day of the week. I will return to my country on 27th, date. We get together on Christmas Day, specific day. We will have prayer on Friday morning, day plus part of the day. So here we need to use the preposition on. Now children, here are a few questions. You need to tell which preposition of time you are going to use. The movie starts dash 8:30 a.m. Time. So which? Correct, at. I will visit you dash Tuesday. Which preposition are you going to use? See here, it is Tuesday, day of the week. On. There are many flowers dash spring. Spring is the season. In. They sing carols dash Christmas. Which preposition are you going to use? At. Very good. My birthday is dash January. This is the month. So which preposition are you going to use? In. Shakespeare was born dash 1564. This is a year. In. The exam is dash 16 March. The date 16 on. We are living dash the 21st century. Century, longer period of time, in. Very good. Where were you dash Friday? See here, day of the week. So we are going to use on. She will be here dash 10 minutes. Length of time. So which preposition are we going to use? Correct, in. Well done, children. Thank you, children, for watching this video carefully. See this video again and again till you understand this concept of preposition of time. Thank you. Have a nice day and solve the worksheet.